In this video, we are going to make out everything about Offset Path modifier. In order to show you the effect of this modifier, let's create a shape. Press Add and choose Offset Path. The new section is added. Here we can see 5 settings. So, one by one. The first item is Amount. It is responsible for the displacement of the stroke and can be handy if you need to increase or decrease the size of shape without scaling the stroke. Now, to adjust copies, we need to set a definition greater than the stroke value. Line Join changes the settings to connect the shape's corners. Let's set Miter. Next, there is Miter Limit. We don't touch it yet, I'll show it later. So, we set the number of copies. Let's choose 20. Voila, our shape is duplicated. You can change the distance between the strokes by playing with the amount parameter. Unlike the amount, copy offset is responsible for the displacement of all the copies in one time without changing the distance between them. Let's go back to Miter Join. Roughly speaking, this parameter is responsible for beveled corners. If we decrease this parameter, you can see what happens to our star. As you could notice, all these parameters except line join can be animated, so everything is limited just by your imagination. You can animate the width of the shape if you choose the amount definition smaller than the strokes, or for example create copies parameter animation. Then you will get an effect of lines appearing. I hope this video helped you to sort out everything about Offset Path. I'm planning on review all the After Effects modifiers, so subscribe if you are interested.